Creator of VPN tier list.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tom Spark Reviews. Today we're doing another VPN review, this time a mobile VPN that goes by Turbo VPN. So I saw an interesting article the other day that claimed that Turbo VPN is the fastest growing mobile VPN out there. In research created by mobile analytics company App Annie exclusively for TechRadar, the free VPN privacy app had the largest absolute year-over-year growth in worldwide downloads in Q2 2019, despite being released only in April 2018. So I guess according to this study, Turbo VPN was somehow the biggest growing one. This is a measure that takes into account growth relative to overall movement of all apps in the reference categories across iOS and Android. Turbo VPN is developed by a Singaporean company, Innovative Connecting, which claims to have more than 5 million users in 137 countries. So, is this VPN good or not? Let's find out right now. Turbo VPN has a weird pricing model. On one hand, it has a great free edition. However, the free edition, like most free VPN providers, do have some serious limitations. For example, you don't get to use the fastest servers. Not only that, but you don't get to unblock any websites, or you use the websites to use for Netflix. So in a lot of ways, it's pretty limited, only basically good for kind of achieving some level of anonymity. However, as we'll later find out, I don't recommend it as the most anonymous VPN for security. This would probably be a better VPN for geo unblocking once you do get the paid version, which is $11 a month or around $36 a year. One thing that bugs me about Turbo VPN's application and just app overall, as well as their pricing page, is that the pricing page doesn't really exist. It's very hard to find the pricing for Turbo VPN because their main website doesn't really include it. The only way you can really see the pricing is when you're trying to upgrade on the application, and then when you do upgrade, it's actually kind of hard to find the pricing as well. Just a kind of similar theme here with Turbo VPN in that it seems like they're purposely trying to hide information about the VPN provider for some reason. Maybe they don't want people knowing how much they're paying and they forget they're subscribed, who knows. The application for Turbo VPN is fine. It's extremely basic. There's only really controls to change between OpenVPN and IPsec and connect when it starts. There's not really any options for kill switch or anything like that. You pretty much can connect and change servers. That's about it. It's a pretty weak application compared to some other applications out there with kill switches and some more connection controls and customization. So overall, not my favorite application. One thing that is annoying is that when it's kind of connecting, you can't really disconnect. So once you connect, you're kind of stuck in the process of connecting. Overall, not that good to use overall. Speeds for Turbo VPN, at least in the paid model, were a little bit better than I expected. Now, it's not quite as fast as some of my top rated VPNs on the list, vpntierlist.com. However, it is a little bit faster than some other, lower tier VPNs out there. I actually did a speed test containing Turbo VPN with WinScribe, and Turbo VPN was a little bit actually faster in my speed test, which was kind of cool. So overall, I think the speeds here are actually probably one of the most impressive parts of Turbo VPN. But again, nothing too special, nothing extremely top tier in terms of speeds, just pretty good. So like I was mentioning before, Turbo VPN's website, it's very bad. As you can see from the design right here, it's clunkily designed. It looks like they just kind of pasted this up. Some kind of intern made it with some kind of page builder. Even some of the graphics are just kind of taken from other VPN providers. I think IPVanish actually made that graphic. And as you can see, it's extremely basic. It looks like they don't really want people going here too much, don't expect people going here too much. The website barely has any information about pricing, not really information about, refunds or anything like that. You can't really find too much customer support on the website at all. There's no live chat or tickets to create. If you want to get customer support, you actually have to go to their Facebook page, I think. And in terms of the privacy policy, it's also not on the website. It's actually just provided as a link in the Google Play Store description, and I'm going to be looking at that right now. So Turbo VPN is a logging VPN. If you read their privacy policy, you will find out that they do collect logs. Now they claim that it's all anonymous logging and stuff like that, but they can't share information to third parties and do whatever they want with it. So like most free VPNs, it's not very private or secure, at least in terms of your privacy. Now it might be secure in terms of maybe the technology, maybe the encryption, but it's definitely not secure in terms of privacy and how it probably handles your information in that way. Another thing that rubs me the wrong way is that it seems like a lot of the reviews written for TurboVPN, perhaps catapulting it to the top, level of downloads that it has. Lots of user reviews means more people are probably going to download the product thinking that the reviews are legitimate. However, checking out this one written by Ambrice Singh is mostly just gibberish, and somehow the company even replies to it acting like it's real, which just seems very sketchy in my opinion. So for streaming compatibility, TurboVPN works with Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu, which was actually pretty surprising to me. However, I couldn't get it to work with BBC iPlayer. Connecting to a UK server proved to be extremely slow, and when it finally did load, it wouldn't work anyways. So 3.7 out of 5 for this category. Not bad. Alright guys, so first up we had pricing. Now it's nice that we have a free model, and the $36 per year is actually quite affordable. However, $11 per month is more pricey than I would have liked. Not only that, but there isn't really many other different pricing options available for you if you want to go 6 month, 3 month, or something like that. Additionally, pricing pages are hard to find, which is very annoying. The application here is very bare bones and simplistic, so much so that it's missing some key security features like something like a kill switch. It's really just a basic VPN app, and for the most part it works okay. Speeds are actually quite good here, getting good speed tests, even better than some other higher rated VPNs. Reputation unfortunately does not seem to be too good. The website is in shambles. The privacy policy is located somewhere else that might be intentionally tricky to find for users. Not only that, but it does collect logs, and it could send these logs over to other companies even if it claims it is anonymous data. Customer support is nowhere to be seen on the website and could possibly be found by emailing them or going through the Facebook page. However, I'm not sure how much success you're going to find here. Streaming compatibility is actually pretty good. Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu, but not working with BBC iPlayer. Overall, we have a final rating of 2.20 out of 5, making it a Tier 3 VPN not recommended for use. Now, this VPN could be much better if it wasn't so shady in terms of how perhaps it makes fake reviews for itself and has catapulted itself to such high popularity. I'm very skeptical of this VPN, and for good reason. If you look at the website, you'll know what I mean. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this mobile VPN review of TurboVPN, and I'll see you again very soon.